Nature's beauty unfolds in a mesmerizing tapestry where waterfalls cascade from towering mountains, creating a harmonious symphony of sights and sounds. Majestic mountains stand as timeless sentinels, their peaks adorned with a dusting of pristine snow or cloaked in lush, vibrant greenery. The waterfalls, like nature's cascading jewels, glisten in the sunlight, their waters dancing and weaving through rugged terrain. Each drop tells a story of resilience, carving its path over centuries, etching a masterpiece into the landscape. The sheer force and elegance of the falls captivate the soul, a testament to the raw power and delicate grace inherent in the natural world. As the mountains embrace these waterfalls, a symbiotic relationship emerges. The mist rises, creating an ethereal veil that adds an air of mystique to the surroundings. Lush vegetation clings to the mountainsides, thriving in the perpetual embrace of moisture, painting the landscape with a myriad of hues. Together, waterfalls and mountains form a breathtaking panorama, a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. It's a reminder of the delicate balance between rugged strength and gentle elegance that defines the landscapes shaped by nature's masterful hand.